stuff on YouTube. Following is a hole leading to the living space downstairs. We're going to seal that.
That's a little red. That's a little red right there. Oh, no.
No. We're going to put flashing around the chimney. This is the existing insulation that we're going to remove so we can bring this up to an R60 in this cold climate for the thermal boundary. And we're going to do that by going with a faced R38 and then coming back and reinstalling this unfaced. We're going to do a R38, R19, and then we're going to reinstall this unfaced R13 is what it is. As you can see, there are several protrusions going downstairs, intrusions also. So we're going to air seal that. We're going to close off areas that are open to the unit downstairs. As you can see, this leads straight down to the apartment on the second floor below us. We're going to close that off with a fire rated material.